Welcome, Power Learners! Today, we're going to be doing an experiment called putting out a candle with carbon dioxide. Before we jump into the experiment, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Power Learn. Well, now, let's get started. All you need for this experiment is a candle, a cup with baking soda, another glass cup, and vinegar. The first thing you're going to do, as shown in the video, is put vinegar into the glass cup with baking soda. Then carefully lean the cup with the baking soda and vinegar into the other cup, as if you're pouring air into the other glass. Then take that glass and slowly lower it over the flame. The flame should immediately go out. So now we're going to talk about how this happens. As you might already know, vinegar and baking soda cause a chemical reaction that releases carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide released from this reaction is enough to put out a flame because carbon dioxide is denser than oxygen, and oxygen is needed for a flame to burn. So if you put carbon dioxide over a flame, it will displace the oxygen in the area, and enough oxygen won't be available for the candle to continue to burn. So the candle would immediately be put out. Because baking soda and vinegar create carbon dioxide in one cup, when we lean it into another, that carbon dioxide is shifted into the other glass cup. So when you lower it over the flame, the carbon dioxide is released over the flame, and you know what happens next. So that concludes our experiment for today. Again, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.